What's up, YouTube? My name is Vic, and I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If this is your first time on my channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick around, watch this video. If you make it to the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. Folks, today's video, we're going to be doing our first unboxing in 2023. From a brand that people love to hate, Invicta. Invicta, it seems like they've been putting out some new watches as of late. I actually like some of their designs. They have, some of them are clear copies of other brands. Like, I'll put up a screenshot here. This one is obviously a Bulova surfboard. But it looks nice, and it's a hell of a lot cheaper than a Bulova surfboard. I think this is 50 bucks for this guy, for that guy. And I'm going to pick it up. Why not, right? If I can save $50, I believe the Bulova surfboard is over close to 300 bucks. Hey, look, I'm a budget watch YouTuber. I'm going to save money. I'm going to go that route. This guy here that I'm about to unbox, I don't think it's a clear copy of anything. The colors is what stood out to me, and that's why ultimately I bought it. But with taxes and shipping, I paid like $60-something. So, you know, that's the thing with Invicta. I do believe Invicta has something for everyone. And yeah, they got a lot of radical out there designs, but they have a lot of decent, cool designs too that are more subtle and more to people's liking. And this guy, I believe, fits that description. I believe it's a little more subtle in design. The colors, they work with each other. They work well with each other. Very nice colors on this guy. And the watch appears to have some functionality. So let me not ramble too much. Let's get into this unboxing. All right, folks, so here we have it. I have my address hidden. Got my trusty blade. Let's open this guy up. Let's throw this to the side. Oh, interesting packaging. I've never seen Invicta packaging like this before. Invicta, invincible in detail. Okay, pretty cool. Maybe they're stepping their game up a little bit, or maybe not. Chances are maybe not. Jeez, that was really tight. That's what she said. Okay. This is a different, still the same yellow, but the box does look different, feels different than your average Invicta box. It doesn't open up like a clam like the others, like what you're used to. Or does it? All right, this one's giving me a hard, there we go. This one's giving me a hard time. There we go. There we go. This is today's watch. I like this guy. I like this guy a lot. It's got like a gold colored dial with like a baby powder blue band, and the sub dials on there too. I forget the model number of this dude, and I will put it in the somewhere here on the screen when I go to edit. I like it. I like it a lot. It's just very nice looking watch. It feels heavy, feels substantial. I did buy it on sale, which I know when we talk about Invicta and buying it on sale, that's laughable because their stuff's always on sale. I think the original price on this guy was like $200, and I got it for about $60 after taxes and shipping. I like that logo on the back, Trinite. It is a chronograph. It is kind of big. I do think this is a 50 millimeter. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this guy on my wrist so you guys can see how it looks. All right, folks. So this is what it looks like on my wrist. It's big. Honestly, it is big, but it doesn't look goofy. Not like some of like the Sub Aquas. Those things are ridiculous, or the Shacks. Yeah, it's big, but it's comfortable. The band is actually a really soft silicone. Feels nice. And I'm sorry for my dog going off in the background. He's a little hyper sometimes. But yeah, this is a nice looking watch. Let me give you guys my final thoughts now that you've seen it on my wrist. All right, folks. So, overall, this is a good looking watch. The dial is very easy to read. It's very legible, clear. Overall, I think it's a decent buy for $60. It is a quartz movement. If you didn't notice when I when I unboxed it. But Invicta is a brand that people love to hate. I've always stated that I have a love-hate relationship with Invicta. I do own their pieces, and I do frequent their website. I'm on the mailing list. I do, occasionally I will buy an Invicta. I'm all about look. If it looks nice to me, and if it's actually functional, chances are that I will buy it. I buy what I like, and that's really what you should do too when it comes to watch collecting. You shouldn't buy things to please other people. You should always think about yourself first. Will you like it? And if the answer to that is yes, then pull that trigger. Go ahead and buy it, man. Doesn't matter what brand it is. If you like it, buy it. So with that said, ladies and gents, I'm going to conclude this one. I'm not sure if I'll give this guy a full review. Maybe I will. I don't know. Maybe I'll do like an update to see how it's held up over time, because Invictas are famous for breaking pretty fast. So maybe I'll do that instead of a full out review. But we'll see. With that said, folks, I will see you on my next one. Peace. Hey, YouTube, it's Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. Got any questions or suggestions for content? Well, scan this QR code, send me an email. Maybe you see your idea come up, or I'll answer your question on a video. Thank you for watching.